Rockwood Minilite 2109S. So we have the two-tone gray with the painted lower skirting on this. Your power awning, your frameless windows, definitely the best looking trailer. I love the new contoured front with the automotive windshield in it. All of the Rockwoods are going to a front windshield now, and they're just absolutely beautiful. Because they are automotive glass, it can be repaired with a chip repair. We actually do it in-house here at Rangeland RV as well. Let me show you some great features on the 2109S. So some of the best quality features on the Rockwood and what make it such a quality product are, it starts from the ground up. Torsion axles, this is the Torflex torsion axle system. So to break that down, it's independent suspension in each wheel. It's rubber riding on rubber to cushion the ride, reduces road shock, and over time it's going to keep your trailer in phenomenal condition. They also use a really good radial tire. So you just get a better, longer lasting tire, safer on the road, less chance of blowouts, things our customers really value in their Rockwoods. You can see our gel coat exterior fiberglass, so you get a really nice glossy sheen on this. Like I said, frameless bonded windows, which are a great look, but they also hide all of the rubber seals from the sun and from UV rays, so less chance for those to deteriorate and more longevity and life out of those window seals. All of our Rockwood Minilites come with gas barbecue, which are now standard for 2019. A workstation, and then a quick connect barbecue line that you can plug your gas grill into. It mounts the side of the trailer, so you can do all your cooking. When you don't want to cook inside, you want to barbecue outside, great place to grill under your huge awning. That's another thing. All of the Rockwoods use the longest awning that they can fit on their trailer, so they're not using one standard size awning on your trailer. You're getting, again, the best value in your purchase. Show you a couple of things inside this trailer. I think one of the best and coolest new innovations in the RV industry that only your higher end products are using are the new Mirage drop down steps. These steps will just fold up inside your trailer for transport. When you get to your destination, they simply just drop down and are incredibly solid. So unlike a step that has a lot of movement in it, kids going up and down the stairs, they're hard to navigate sometimes, where this is rock solid. You'll see the trailer doesn't move back and forth when you're getting in and out of the trailer as well. And we have your large entry assist handle. Come inside, look at this beauty. So many great features this year in the 2019 Rockwoods. For example, I love the look of the new Suburban oven. It has a glass stove front. It's the largest oven in the RV industry. Gas oven, 21 inches, you get the most oven space. This little trailer at 21 feet 9 inches overall length still features ducted air conditioning, so this coach will be cooled really easily, and a full walk around bed. And coincidentally, this mattress is also heated for those chilly nights. You'll see features in the Rockwood Minilite category that you just don't find in this size and price point of trailer, namely solid surface countertops. It's like a Corian composite countertop, and full undermounted stainless steel sinks. And I really like this system that they've went to this year, and it's slotted sink cover that you can stick your dishes in to dry your dishes. In this trailer, we have a removable table that can just pop out here. If you're not going to be eating outside that day, you can pop it in front of your sofa. And the trailer is appointed where it has lots of counter space, tons of storage space, beautiful quality cabinetry. If you look here, I've always been really impressed. Rockwood have used 2 gas struts, unlike almost every other competitor that uses only 1, and over time your cabinet's going to become a bit misaligned. So Rockwood definitely do not cut corners in anything that they do. I'm going to switch sides over here, come around here, show you an entrance closet, and again, not cutting corners. Rockwood give you an option of having removable shelves in their closet. So if you want to turn this into your hanging coat closet, or separate it so you have some shelving and some hanging space, you have that option available to you. We have your large double door refrigerator conveniently situated by the front door, so you just reach in and grab yourself a refreshment when you get thirsty outside. And then finally, and in this style of trailer, they use this bathroom layout very frequently. It's a great bathroom for this footprint. So we have a full rounded shower, linen closet with tons of storage, high performance fantastic fan, and then one new feature. I'm going to bring in and show you this really quick. This is what we call our shower miser. This is a water saving system that's exclusive to Rockwood right now. Really simply, before you jump in your shower and you're waiting for your shower to heat up, you leave your shower miser in an off position. This blue bar will turn gray when your water is at temperature, and all the water that's been pouring down the faucet is going to recycle itself back into your freshwater system, so you're not wasting any water, and you can utilize the maximum of your onboard storage capacity. If you guys want to see more Rockwood Minilites, if you want to learn more about Rockwood trailers, myself and our phenomenal sales team down at Rangeland RV would love to have you come in for a visit. So please visit us on our website at rangelandrv.com, or come down to the store in beautiful Alberta, Canada, just east of the Cross Iron Mills Mall, just north of Calgary, Alberta. Come out and see us. We'd love to have you. Thanks for watching.